What's going on, my friend? Garrett Barry here. If you're looking to learn how to promote affiliate links using free traffic, this video is for you. Now, maybe you're someone that doesn't have a lot of extra money, times are tough, and you want to start generating affiliate commissions to pay off bills or just use that money to spend it on whatever you want, but you don't have a lot of extra money to do paid advertising. Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal to you my 5-step process that I've used over the last 5 years that's allowed me to easily promote affiliate links using free traffic and hit the top of leaderboards and make daily sales. So if you're excited about that, be sure to click the like button right now to let me know, and let's dive in right now. Okay, so I'm inside of my Gmail account right now, and I just wanted to share with you some of the results of affiliate commissions so you can see that this process works, okay? You can see right here, site admin, Vertex alert, which is one of the levels of sales in a company that I'm promoting the products of. Hello, Garrett, you've received a payment. Hello, Garrett, okay? And these payments have just come in every single day, okay? Vertex Live, that's a $2,000 sale. That's a $2,000 sale. $100 sale, okay? And a lot of these were made using free traffic. So without further ado, what is my powerful 5-step formula? Okay, so this here is the 5-step formula. Now be sure to stay until the very end of the video so you don't miss out on me breaking down every single step in this formula, because if you don't do the right step or that step properly, the whole formula could not work. And this formula has worked for people from all over the world that I've shared it with, many brand new people that have been able to come in and see some absolutely incredible income, okay? So number one is we want to use social media sites, okay? Sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. The reason is with social media, you can find a lot of people for free, right? You don't have to pay anything. You can just post and advertise whatever product you want to promote, and you can do it for free, okay? So what sites do I recommend? Well, there's really like the big 4, okay, which is Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. I recommend starting there and then spreading out. Now, I'm gonna go into a little bit of Facebook and Twitter, okay, in this video, but I have other videos on this channel. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can check out after this video. I may even pop a card or, put a links in the description on other sites such as Instagram and things like that. So we want to use social media sites. Now we want to add friends or follow people, okay? Now, why is this important? Well, a lot of people, they want to promote on social media. They realize how powerful it is, but they don't have an audience. They don't have anyone that's actually on their friends list or, on Instagram. They don't have any followers. So obviously, the more money you want to make, the more followers or friends you actually need to have, okay? So that's going to really increase the amount of exposure. So how do we add friends or follow people? Because there's actually a specific strategy. So for example, on Facebook, right? Now, this is my Facebook profile. You don't have to use a fan page. A lot of people wonder, should I use a fan page or a profile? I recommend using a profile, okay? Especially for free traffic, because often the exposure is way more. Facebook wants you to pay for advertising. They want you to run ads if you use a fan page. So with this, you can actually get, hundreds of likes on your profile, and it's all for free. Currently, I have 3,633 friends. Now, I am constantly adding and removing people, which is also important, and I'll get into it in a later video why you want to do that. But how do you add friends, right? Now, there's a couple of main strategies you want to consider. You don't just want to add random people. And again, why are we adding and following people? Because a lot of people don't realize if you add someone, they will typically accept your friend request if you've set up your profile properly. On Instagram and Twitter, if you follow people, often they're going to get notified. They're going to come back to your profile, and if they like it, okay, which using, again, some of the other strategies in my other videos, how to set up your profile properly for easy affiliate commissions, if they like your profile, they're going to follow you back, right? And you're going to be gaining followers. So there's reciprocation. When you follow other people, they're going to follow you back, and that's how you're going to gain a following, okay? So how do we find friends? Again, you don't just want to add random people. You want to think about what product are you promoting, okay? So for example, let's say you're promoting a health and fitness product, okay? So you could go up to Facebook, do health and fitness, okay? Type in the name or the topic of the product, go to groups, okay? So filter the results by groups, and then join, okay, these different groups with a lot of members, okay? This one has 1.3 million members. So let's say 13,000 members. We go here, We join, okay? Then once you join, you can go to the members, okay? And you can add these people, okay? Now these people have mutual friends, so Facebook will allow me to add these people, but we want to add these people because they are interested in health and fitness. So they will accept our friend request. And then when we start to do one of the other steps in this formula, which is posting, promoting a health and fitness product, they're going to be more than likely to actually want more information and decide to buy, making us affiliate commissions for free, okay? So go to groups in your topic and start to add people. Now, Twitter, okay, for example, you can see I have 17,000 followers, okay? And I follow a lot of people because, again, in the beginning on Twitter, I started following people. They would follow me back, okay? So with Twitter, it's a little bit different. You can actually just type in a specific hashtag, okay? So like health, and you can, go there. Then you can see who's posting about health. Okay, so this person's posting, right, about healthy. So I could open this up. I could go to her followers, okay? And I can start following these people because these people probably are interested in health and fitness because they follow her and she posts about health and fitness, okay? Are you starting to see how this works? And again, if this isn't making sense, watch this video over and over because this is the formula, okay? Now, step number 3 is we want to post valuable tips and results on our profile. So as we're building friends, we're building followers, we're going to post valuable tips and results. Now, why? Okay, first off, why do we want to post valuable tips? Well, people buy from people they know, like, and trust, and also people that are an authority, people that are demonstrating they're an expert in a certain field, okay? So we want to demonstrate that we're an expert in that field of affiliate marketing. So again, if you're promoting a health and fitness product, you want to share tips that have to do with losing weight or gaining muscle or eating healthy. If you're promoting something in dating, okay, you can share tips on how to improve your relationships, how to find a man, how to find a woman, okay? Now, by sharing these tips on your Facebook profile, your Twitter, your Instagram, people are going to come to respect you. They're going to come to say, hey, this person knows what they're talking about, okay? Now, I do this all the time, okay? So I'm in the make money online niche, okay? I teach people how to make money online. And on my Facebook, okay, I'm teaching people how to earn a living while having an amazing life, okay? So I teach them some value. Now, this right here is an error when I look at this post on desktop. But in this post, I'm just telling people, hey, like, you need to find someone that's, a mentor for you, sharing a little bit of value, okay? Now, what happens is these 72 people, okay, targeted people that want to make money online are reading this, they're seeing this, and they're going, hey, Garrett knows what he's talking about. He seems to know how to make money online. So then down the line, when I recommend a product, people are going to be way more open and go, hey, like, if those tips are good, the product's probably good, let me buy it, okay? And that's what people really feel, okay? So if I go down a little bit more, I'm sharing, value all the time. Secret to success, getting a mentor. This is really powerful, okay? Again, people are starting to, boom, truth bomb, cool, absolutely. A mentor is the way to go. All these people are potential people that may buy, okay? Twitter, you can do the same thing. You can share quotes. Now, results, okay? You want to also share results. Now, how do we share results? You may be thinking, Garrett, I don't have any results. I'm watching this video because I don't have a lot of sales. I haven't made a lot of money, doing affiliate marketing. What results? Well, the product that you're promoting typically has people that have used that product and gotten results. You can just share that, okay? So you can go to a sales page of that affiliate product, take a testimonial, okay, a result that someone said they had, and post it on your Facebook. Post it on your Facebook story. Share it on Twitter, okay? And when you do that, people are gonna start to realize, hey, this product works, right? There's a lot of scams out there, and when you share results, it's gonna overcome people's objections. They're gonna say, hey, okay, this guy's valuable. This person knows what they're talking about when it comes to losing weight, when it comes to whatever, topic your product is. Okay, now they're sharing the results. Wow, like, okay, like, maybe I should buy this, right? And that's what people start to think. And then number 4, this is one of the most important steps, we want to give calls to action for people to comment on our post or message you or DM you if you're on Instagram for more information. So we don't want to just constantly be posting and posting and, getting people, this one I never actually decided to post. I should post this soon. But we don't want to just keep, sharing value and results. We want to actually tell people to reach out for more information. Okay, so let me see a post where I actually did that, because you don't want to do it on every post, but you do want to do it. Okay, so here, okay, I said life's too short not to be doing what you love. Go here to learn how to achieve freedom in an hour or less per day online. And I have my link, okay? You can see 129 people liked it. When they go to my link, it takes them to my affiliate product that I'm promoting, okay? This is a call to action. What is a call to action? Basically, it's telling someone to take action. Hey, go to this link, comment info below, reach out to me for more information. On Twitter, again, you can do the same thing. You can actually just post your link. I can do it right now. Hey, been using a brand new automated money system that's been shockingly effective. Go here to test drive it. Okay, boom, put my link. Okay, now you don't want to just be spamming your link. I share a lot of value. Okay, but that's it. And then people will start to comment on it. You can like it to give it some social proof. Other people are going to see this, and hey, people are going to click that and check out my website. Now, step number 5 is we want to send people to your affiliate link. This is the last step. As you're posting value, as you're following people, people are starting to come to know, like, and trust you. They're going to ask you for your website link, or you're going to share it with them. And then once you send people to that link, they're going to check out your affiliate product, and a lot of people are going to buy. But one thing I want to recommend you do is, rather than just linking people directly to your affiliate product, your sales page, you redirect it, especially on a site like Facebook. Okay, often you can't just send people a link like on ClickBank or something like that, because Facebook will flag it. So to get around this, you can just purchase a domain, okay, for $9.99 a month, okay, or a year. Okay, so it's like $10 for the year. You can purchase a domain, okay, something like Make Money with John, okay, if your name's John, or Make Money with Sarah. Buy this, okay, forget it's like $9.99. I'm in Brazil, so this is like in the currency of Brazil. Buy that, and then just go on YouTube and research how to redirect a domain to a link, okay, and then redirect your domain to your affiliate link, and then now you can share that with people, okay. This my10ksystem.com was a domain that I purchased here, and then when people click it, it redirects to my website, okay. You can see right here, and this is actually recommending people my #1 recommended affiliate system, which you can also find out at the link below, okay. So this is it. I hope you got value on how to promote affiliate links with free traffic. I wanted to share with you just incredible value. If you got value, be sure to click the like button and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my weekly step-by-step videos. And last but not least, if you're looking for an affiliate program that has a done-for-you website, tons of results and testimonials that you can just copy paste, way more training, high-ticket affiliate commissions, as well as reoccurring commissions, go down to the link under this video, click that link, follow the steps on my website, and start to promote that. That's what I'm using, and it's really been working incredibly well. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.